Okay, so I've been showing you lots of ancient Uzbekistan, Soviet Uzbekistan, but don't think that's what all Uzbekistan is. Now I'm going to be showing you a bit of modern Uzbekistan. Now this is Tashkent City Park, and I guess the whole area is called Tashkent City. So it's a new development, and this is kind of where all the fun and modern action and fun things to do in Uzbekistan happen here. That's the Hilton. So there's a lot of money that's been poured into here, and you can see behind me here, that is the Tashkent City shopping centers. That is a high-end, very high-end shopping mall that's just coming online. It's going to be opening up pretty quickly, and daytime this park is really nice if you just want to go for a walk, have a look at things. That one's locked for some reason, but it's actually nighttime when this park comes alive, and I mean really comes alive. Now I'm here in the middle of summer, so you know I'm always complaining about the lack of air conditioning, and we're staying at the Hilton. I can show you that in a second if you like, but it's the Hilton is at least very air conditioned and very cool, the high standard kind of you expect things, but that's where you have a great base to place yourself out of, and you can explore modern Tashkent. As it is to take a shortcut here, you cannot walk on the grass. It's kind of the same thing when you're kind of around in Russia as well. I think it's the grass in the parks. They just don't want people walking on it and trampling it. So the grass is for looking, not for sitting, definitely not for walking. So you've got like some really high-end restaurants. You got, you know, Arrows and Sparrows, and there's a Turkish one over there. Bellissimo Pizza, so if you just want pizza, great cheap pizza. We ate at the Korean restaurant over there, and I'll show you some footage from that in a sec. And then that is kind of where you can have like performances. And it's still being built, so still not done. You can see so much happening here. It's a beautiful park to go for a walk.